There's certainly a chill in the air, especially at night, and we'll talk about that during the forecast. But in terms of the weather, the general situation is that we still have a bit of cloudiness around, a bit of those pockets of low-level moisture coming in, especially towards the south, around Guyana and then into Trinidad and Tobago. So maybe a scattering of cloudiness is expected, especially first thing in the morning through Tuesday, and be a bit more cloudiness likely by midweek. So you can see here the general picture is that we'll see our partly cloudy skies, especially across most parts of the eastern parts of Tobago. There is a likelihood of a couple of showers here as well. And then as we go through the morning, we could be seeing one or two of those showers developing, especially along those eastern areas. So do watch out for that, especially during the latter half of the day. The cloudiness will build along the main ridge, bringing you some showers into Scarborough and then down towards Buku. Now for Trinidad tonight, again, it is partly cloudy skies towards the central areas. Towards the southeast and southwest, however, you'll be seeing some general cloudiness. A few showers are expected for Guaguari, Moruga, up towards Pinal and the Carcass. Up towards the north, however, once you go through your morning, it should be a mostly sunny start. But do look for the cloudiness and that moisture to begin to push through, especially towards the central areas of Trinidad, eventually pushing up towards that northwestern area as you get towards the latter half of the afternoon. And there will be a few showers around. But there is still the likelihood that a low chance of you seeing a heavier shower, especially during the afternoon, and again, mostly favouring the southwestern areas of Trinidad, and maybe down towards Guaguari as well. Now, you have been noticing how cool it's been of late, especially at night. Once you get daytime heating escaping into space, we'll likely see a lot of the cool air sinking towards the lowest part of the valley, and that's what's likely to happen again tonight, especially in areas such as Lopino, Maracas Valley, possible parts of Diego Martin as well. Could be seeing lows around Piarco of 21 degrees Celsius. Out towards Pinal could drop to about 20 degrees Celsius tonight, and then will rise to 31 degrees Celsius for the most part, maybe getting up to 32 around Piarco and Crown Point. So again, pretty comfortable start to the day. But once we go through Wednesday, we're looking for more general cloudiness expected here. Scattering of showers is likely as well, especially for Trinidad. There is definitely the possibility of a heavier shower come midweek. That could possibly last into Thursday and eventually clearing up quite nicely by the end of Thursday towards Friday. So we should start the long weekend yet again under mostly sunny skies. Now for fish folk and bathers, we're still keeping seas slight to moderate to just about 1 to 1.5 meters along the Caribbean, 2 meters out in the Atlantic, with mostly northeasterly swells coming in at about 11 seconds through Tuesday and Wednesday. And if you are heading out, be mindful, we do have a full moon, which means that sometimes the tides will likely be higher than normal at 4:15 a.m. and at 3:30 p.m. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.